Hello viewers, my name is Tejas and you're watching Lokmat Times. What does infrastructure development in 21st century looks like? It looks like this. A newly inaugurated metro station has been shut down. It is out of operation now because it was submerged in water. Water dripped down to the underground metro station in Varali. It is on Aqua 3 line. It is named after Acharya Atre and the station is now not operational because it was submerged in water this morning. Mumbai has been witnessing incessant rainfall since last night. Many low-lying areas in Mumbai have been submerged in water. Cars have been drowned. People are traveling through knee-deep water in areas like Matunga, Dadar, even in South Bombay. Nariman Point has witnessed over 200 of rain overnight. This situation has now translated into transport being hit. This station where I'm standing, it is on Aqua 3 line in Varli. This line goes to RAJVLR and this was inaugurated recently. Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, DCM Eknath Shinde, all were present for the inauguration of this metro station. And in the first rain, in just few hours of rain, this metro station has now been shut down because it was inundated underwater. But how did this happen? Did this happen because it was inaugurated in haste, because it was incomplete and yet inaugurated for political gains? I'll explain to you. This station here is where people enter, where commuters enter, but the other part of this station, where the stairs are supposed to go out from this station on the other side, the construction of those stairs, the construction of that area is still that area is still incomplete, and yet without the completion of that area the station was started, and now the waterlogging in the station has happened because of that, because the incomplete stair construction was open and water dripped down from that part and the station was submerged. Now there are a few questions we will need to ask to the government. Whether this station was inaugurated even before it was complete, and whether the lives of commuters were risked for some political gains, because this station, it is not operational now. It has been shut down. We'll give you some peek. They are not allowing commuters or media persons to go inside. The shutter has been shut down and there is quite a security. If you can see here, they are not allowing others to go in. But here is the entrance of the station, and down there it is an underground metro station. Down from here, if we go down, if passenger travel down, the underground area is completely inundated. It is underwater and people are not able to travel from Varli metro station right now. The line from Varli to RAJVLR has been shut due to the water being filled inside this station. So there are a few questions. How did this happen? Whether the authorities were not aware of the fact that the construction is incomplete and a small amount of rain. Worli hasn't seen the kind of rain Nariman Point has seen, but small amount of rain has translated into this station being inoperational. Where does the blame land for this? Who does take the blame? Is it the MMRC? Is it the political power of Maharashtra, whether Chief Minister or Deputy Chief Minister, who inaugurated this station with lot of celebration and with lot of promises that it will decongest Mumbai, but instead of decongesting Mumbai, the station itself has been shut down now due to the water submersion. This is Tejas Joshi with cameraman Pranit Hate from Varli. Keep watching Lokpat Times for more such stories.